Imagine a world where the very ground beneath your feet boils, where toxic chemicals flow like rivers, and crushing pressures could flatten a submarine. Now, picture life thriving there. This isn't science fiction. It's the reality of the Pompeii worm, a creature defying every known rule of biology. Deep beneath the Pacific Ocean, at depths exceeding 2,500 meters, lies a realm of perpetual darkness and extreme conditions. Here, the pressure is an astonishing 250 times greater than at the surface, enough to instantly crush most organisms. Yet, this is merely the prelude to an even more formidable challenge. Towering hydrothermal vents, often called black smokers, erupt from the seafloor. These geological chimneys spew superheated, mineral-rich fluids at temperatures soaring to 350 degrees, 662 degrees. This scalding, chemical-laden discharge creates an environment utterly hostile to conventional life. Most deep-sea inhabitants maintain a cautious distance from these infernal plumes, seeking refuge in cooler, less toxic waters. But one organism, Alvinella pompejana, the enigmatic Pompeii worm, not only tolerates these conditions, but makes its home directly on the vent structures. It's a living paradox, a testament to life's extraordinary adaptability. The Pompeii worm's existence begins with an impossible physiological feat. This remarkable creature constructs a tube, often several inches long, directly on the scorching chimney wall. Its tail end is firmly anchored within this tube, in direct contact with the vent's surface, where temperatures can reach a staggering 80 degrees, 176 degrees. Simultaneously, its head extends out of the tube into the surrounding deep-sea water, which hovers at a frigid 2 degrees Celsius, 36 degrees Celsius. This creates an astonishing 78 degrees Celsius, 140 degrees, temperature difference across its small body. To put this into perspective, imagine having your feet immersed in a roaring campfire while your head is encased in a deep freezer. No other complex animal known to science can withstand such an extreme and localized thermal gradient. This physiological marvel challenges our fundamental understanding of thermoregulation and cellular integrity. It forces us to question the very boundaries of biological survival. Upon closer inspection, the Pompeii worm reveals another layer of its extraordinary adaptation. Its dorsal surface, particularly its tail, is covered in a dense, white, fleece-like layer. This isn't fur in the mammalian sense. It's a living coat composed of billions of symbiotic bacteria, primarily epsilon proteobacteria. Scientists hypothesize that this bacterial fleece acts as a biological heat shield, insulating the worm from the extreme temperatures of the vent. This microbial layer may also play a crucial role in dissipating heat, perhaps by facilitating rapid heat exchange or even by actively cooling the worm's body. The precise mechanisms of this thermal regulation remain a subject of intense scientific debate and ongoing research. Beyond thermal protection, these bacteria are vital for the worm's survival in other ways. They form a complex microbial ecosystem, a miniature world thriving on the worm's back. This symbiotic relationship is a cornerstone of the Pompeii worm's ability to inhabit such an extreme environment, showcasing nature's ingenious solutions to seemingly insurmountable challenges. The fluid belching from hydrothermal vents is a potent cocktail of toxic chemicals, including hydrogen sulfide, heavy metals, and carbon dioxide. These compounds are lethal to most forms of life, yet they are the very foundation of the Pompeii worm's ecosystem. The worm doesn't merely tolerate this poison, it thrives on it. Its bacterial coat acts as a sophisticated living filter, scrubbing the water of these noxious chemicals. Through a process called chemosynthesis, these specialized bacteria convert the hydrogen sulfide and other inorganic compounds into organic matter, much like plants use sunlight in photosynthesis. This process forms the base of the food chain in this lightless world. The Pompeii worm effectively breathes chemicals that would kill a human in seconds. This unique metabolic strategy allows it to harness energy from an otherwise deadly environment. It's a profound example of how life can find a way, even when conventional energy sources like sunlight are completely absent. One of the most perplexing aspects of the Pompeii worm's biology lies at the molecular level. Most proteins, the workhorses of all living cells, begin to denature or cook at temperatures far below 80 degrees Celsius. Yet the Pompeii worm's enzymes and structural proteins remain stable and functional in these extreme conditions. This stability is a profound biological enigma. For decades, researchers at institutions like the Monterey Bay Aquarium Research Institute, MBARI, and the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution, WHOI, have been trying to decode the secret sauce in its genetic makeup. They seek to understand how its proteins maintain their integrity and function under such intense thermal stress. The answer could revolutionize fields from biotechnology to medicine. The scientific community is divided on the exact mechanisms. Some scientists argue that the symbiotic bacteria contribute unique enzymes or protective compounds. Others believe the worm itself has evolved extraordinary heat shock proteins or novel protein structures unlike anything else found on Earth. Unraveling this mystery promises to unlock fundamental principles of protein stability and adaptation. The Pompeii worm is more than just a biological curiosity. It's a profound testament to life's resilience and adaptability. If complex life can not only survive but flourish in the literal furnace of Earth's abyss, it dramatically expands our understanding of where life might exist beyond our planet. This creature isn't just a biological fluke, it's a roadmap for astrobiological exploration. The discovery of the Pompeii worm has reshaped our search for extraterrestrial life, particularly on icy moons like Europa and Enceladus. These celestial bodies are believed to harbor vast subsurface oceans, potentially warmed by hydrothermal activity. The conditions in these alien oceans could strikingly resemble the extreme environments where the Pompeii worm thrives. The abyss doesn't create monsters. It creates masterpieces of biological engineering. The Pompeii worm demonstrates that life can find energy and stability in the most unlikely places, pushing the boundaries of what we once thought possible. Its existence fuels the tantalizing possibility that similar, perhaps even more extraordinary life forms await discovery in the cosmos. Our planet's oceans remain largely unexplored, with less than 5% of their vast depths having been mapped or studied in detail. The Pompeii worm, surviving at 80 degrees C, is just one incredible discovery from this hidden world. As we venture deeper into the Hadal zones, the deepest trenches on Earth, we are detecting heat signatures and encountering environments where no life should conceivably exist. The implications are staggering. If a worm can survive the boiling dark, harnessing toxic chemicals and enduring crushing pressures, what other marvels await discovery in the unexplored 95% of our ocean? What other forms of life with adaptations beyond our current comprehension are thriving in these extreme frontiers? The deep sea is a living laboratory, constantly challenging our assumptions about life itself. The Pompeii worm is a powerful reminder that the greatest mysteries often lie closest to home, hidden beneath the waves. Its story is a call to curiosity, an invitation to explore the unknown, and a promise that our planet still holds countless secrets waiting to be unveiled. The Pompeii worm is a living enigma, a testament to life's boundless ingenuity. Its story is far from over, with countless mysteries still waiting to be unraveled by dedicated scientists. Don't let your curiosity end here. Dive deeper into the science. Explore the research papers from MBARI and WHOI on hydrothermal vent ecosystems. Share this incredible story. Inspire others by discussing the Pompeii worm with friends, family, and on social media. Support ocean exploration. Consider donating to organizations dedicated to deep-sea research and conservation. Every discovery brings us closer to understanding life's ultimate potential, both on Earth and beyond.